this is Qi here for my CIS 3367 midterm project with Professor Adrian Wheeler. In this project, I want to do some research about what kind of job I should choose after I graduate. So I have concern about what kind of job make more money and how many positions they are opening in the labor market and what kind of education they are required. So with those questions, I start my research, and I find the data in New York State Department of Labor, and here is the data they have for a long-term occupation employment projection for 2014 to 2024, and they cover the thing I want to see, because they cover the salary and the position opening number, and also the education required, and also the U.S. growth rate. So first, I just selected data by the industry. So I only want to see, first I want to see which industry, what kind of area is making more money, or are they having more positions available in the market. So the first, I want to create a pivot table to help me to start analyze. So you can click all the data, select all the data, and click the insert tab, and you can find the pivot table here. I will show you the one I created already. After you did, yeah. So this is the one I did for my pivot table. I choose this is the industry name, and here is how many position opening they're gonna have position opening in 2024, and here is the average of the growth rate, what they are. And I made another one to see to relate with the salary they earn by different industry. So here I got every area. So I only want to see the top 10 who have most position opening in 2024. So I just click the data and filter by the top 10, by the total position opening in 2024. So here I got the top 10 area, industry, and also here I only want to see the top 10. So you can just click filter and the top 10 by the salary. Yep. So after you create the pivot table, I want to have a pivot chart to help me more visualize it, to see more clearly, and also I want to the pivot chart can help me more to see the whole picture. So if you want to insert a pivot chart, you can just click the insert tab, and you can find the pivot chart here. So I will show you the one I did. Here is the pivot chart I create by the top 10 industry, and it can show me really vividly for how many positions they are opening, and it can really help me to compare by different industry, and by the growth rate, and by the number of the position opening. And here it shows me the the salary and by the industry. So we can see the management make the most, have most annual wage for the most area, and here the office job have most position opening. So this is really surprised me. And next, you can insert slicer to help you filter the thing you want to see, and also can help you to compare by different industry or area. So I create a slicer by industry area name title here. So if you want to create a slicer, you can go to the insert tab, and you will find the slicer here, and you can choose the thing you want to be filtered. So here I want to see the art, design, and the business. here we go. We can click the so we can see these two industry and compare them more more detailedly, because here we can see the business have more opening position in the market, and also this industry the position is kind of like growing. And here also the business and the financial major occupation have earn more salary than the art. So yeah, it is really helpful to see which industry you can go. It can help you to decide when the time you decide your major and the way you want to go. And so you can, and also you can create another pivot table by what kind of information you want. So here I create another pivot chart, and it show me the education required and how many position is required by that education, and how many salaries they earn by the average salary earned by that position. So we can see it really surprised me. Not the most job, but the only required high school diploma having more position than a bachelor's degree, and the bachelor's degree is having more position opening than a master's degree. So yeah, and also the salary is not really much difference. So we can click a slicer to see more closely. So yeah, oh yeah, this is really surprised me, because you can see the growth rate for required by a master degree is not growing well. Oh yeah, this is a salary, so they don't earn more than bachelor's degree. Yeah, this is really surprising me. So, and next I want to see more carefully and about the position I want to do for a financial specialist. So I select the data under the financial specialist. Those are the the position I can put my resume in. And so I just want to have more clear, detailed information about those positions. So I can, this time I want to use a Power View to help me analyze it. So you can go to the pivot table, and you can add this data sheet worksheet to add to data module, and after that you can click insert and choose the Power View. So I will show you the Power View I did, and here is the Power View table I have here. It shows me by the positions, and this is by the salary, and here it shows me the US growth rate by different positions under the financial specialist. And here is the education required, and here is the work experience required, and here is the position opening net change. So it surprised me, because here we can see the insurance underwriter is going down. So it means they will not have much position opening need in the market. But here we can see the personal financial advisor is gonna be demand more. It's gonna be demanded the most in the labor market, and also they earn the most. And the thing, so if you click this, you can see they only require you to have a bachelor's degree. So I think this project research really helped me to solve the question I have at the beginning, and it really helped me to look to see what industry and what kind of job I want, and also can help me to plan my career path, and also should I go to attend a master degree or not. So yeah, I think this project is really helped me a lot, and I hope this video can help you as well. So thank you for watching.